This is Cody, and he is the male that was born on June 30th. So he's not quite 2 months old, and you can see that he's definitely a male because he's trying to sing. This is an early attempt of a novice juvenile roller male to sing. That's what I'm guessing anyway. And what it sounds like. I've read that they're not really mature until they're about a year old, so he's got a ways to go. Seems like a happy little bird, though. So that's what an early attempt at being a singing bird sounds like. I wish he'd fly. He's really aerodynamic. He does loop-de-loops and stuff when he flies. And now we're hiding from the camera. I have no idea where he went. Oh, he's up here now. Okay, so I guess the concert is over.